In today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish a website in Card in just a few minutes. Let's make this process simple and straightforward. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to card.code. Card is a user-friendly platform perfect for single-page websites, whether you're creating a personal profile, portfolio, or landing page. Before publishing, make sure your website looks exactly how you want it. Review all elements in the card editor, text, images, links, and layout. Once everything is just right, click the Publish button. This is your gateway to sharing your website with the world. Next, enter a title for your site. Make it descriptive so visitors immediately understand what your site is about. Add a brief description that is SEO friendly, including keywords to help your site appear in search results. Keep it concise but informative. Now it's time to choose how your website will appear online. You can use a card to subdomain, which is quick and convenient, or connect a custom domain for a more professional look. Using a custom domain may require updating your domain's DNS settings, but it makes your site appear more established. And that's it. In just a few steps, your card website is ready to go live. Be sure to double check all links and functionality before sharing it with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.